What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? Baker Claus here to wish you a Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. I took a little break from dashing through the snow to make another hot Chrome Music Lab tutorial for you guys. This one is the famous Jingle Bells, the most ubiquitous melody from any Christmas song that babies can even sing. Let's hear this bad boy from top to bottom. Yeah! So that is the entirety of Jingle Bells. Super cool, super chill. I added some hip hop drums to it to make it a little more hip. But I'm gonna show you how to build this thing from the ground up, shall we? Drums are optional, not necessary. First, you can click restart. Make sure you get a blank canvas so we start from scratch here. First thing we always change, as you know, is the settings. Go down here to settings. We're gonna go from 4 bars all the way to 16 bars. Max it out, because we need a lot of space for this one here. We're going to start on high C instead of middle C. And range, we only need 1 octave for this one. Make it super simple. So one more time, I'll go over that. Length, not 4 bars, but 16 bars. Start on high C, range 1 octave. Click the blue check, we're ready to rock. Before I put in any drums, like I said, those are optional. You can just do the notes if you want. Let's just plug in the notes. I'm not going to tell about all the different colors and spacing because that'll take like way too long and the video will be ridiculously long for no reason. I'm just going to put it in and stop at checkpoints for you to take a break to check your work to make sure we're on the same page here. So it starts with these yellows with spaces in between. That's your main Jingle Bells part. So Jingle Bells, Jingle Bells. Then you get a boom, boom. So there's the first main melody that's going to come back a little later. Let's hear it. That's so slow to me. Let's pick up the pace a little bit. You can drag it up to whatever you want. I bet a good tempo for Jingle Bells would be about 180, which half of that is 90, but we're kind of in a different frame here. Let's hear it. Boom. That's the main melody everybody knows, but now we're ready to keep going to the oh, what fun it is to ride. So at the beginning of this white section here, leave the rest of that section, gray section blank. After the yellow, you're going to go. No, up, I was like, oh, what fun it is to ride. Horse open sleigh. Let's check that. I think that's right. So go ahead and pause that here. Let me check it first before I stop the screen so you can check your work. Let's hear it. Boom, that one's good. I'll leave this right here for a little bit. Go ahead and pause it if you need to. Starts on the beginning of this white section, which is bar 5. Make sure that's all good before you keep going. Pause it if you need to. All right, pause over. Let's keep going. Now we're on bars 9 through 16 here. The second half is the same as the first half. So after you get to that, when you get to the beginning of bar 9, this white section, you're going to repeat the beginning part. Okay, that looks the same. That's good. We had that at the very beginning as well. I'll just go ahead and move to the end part, which is the last 4 bars, which is the oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh, which is almost the same, but slightly different. So that one, at the beginning of this white section, starts with the same pattern. Nope, that's oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Yep, and the rest of that bar is blank. So that is the last part, which is very similar to the second section we had earlier before, but the last part, in a one-horse open sleigh, is a little bit different. So, like I said, pause it there to check your work. Make sure all the notes are good. I'm going to play the whole thing top to bottom. And then we can add the optional drums if you so choose. Let's hear it. Yeah, so we could put a hey at the very end if you want. Optional high C up there. So halfway through you can put that up there, which is just a little extra hey at the end. But now that all the notes are in, you can stop there and leave it. You have the entirety of Jingle Bells. But I think it sounds a lot cooler if you throw a little hip hop drum beat underneath it. Here's a little hack to get that going. So before we put in any circles, we're going to put in triangles on the 5th dot of each bar. So this white bar, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the gray bar. I'm going to keep doing that all the way throughout. That's what's called a backbeat, and that's going to make any circle pattern you put in there sound pretty cool. And then I'll put my own circle pattern in there in a little bit. So here's a little hack to make it sound continuous and flow nicely. And then you can change up what you want on the circle drum part underneath. Let's hear that. So that's locked in. That's going to feel good the whole time. So I'm going to plug in some circles to make it kind of a cool trap hip hop beat. You can do whatever you want with the circles. If you have the triangles right there, it'll still sound cool. But I'll put mine in. Cool. Do 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 ga. Do 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 ga. I'm speaking drum language. If you can't keep up, sorry. Do do ga doom doom ga. Do 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 ga. Doom ga doom. Okay. I don't know how this is gonna sound. It's gonna sound great. Do 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 ga. Oh ah. Do 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 ga. Do do ga 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 ga. There's a little ending sauce right there. So I think this drum beat should sound pretty cool. If I put it in right, it should sound pretty dope. Let's hear it. It's a slight variation of drums I put before, because I kind of just plugged in circles on the last pattern too. Got a very similar result. Let's hear what it sounds like. Yeah. Ah. Pretty cool little baka-taka at the end on the snare part. You can change up the instrument sounds if you want. It sounds cool piano. I like marimba and synth personally. Like here's like electric version of it. That's probably my favorite. 180 is a good tempo. You can speed it up or slow it down, whatever you want. But that is the entirety of Jingle Bells with a little hip-hop twist to it. This is Baker Claus signing out. I hope y'all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you for all your support. This year's been awesome on YouTube. Channel's growing. That's thanks to you guys. Keep hitting those requests. Keep dropping them in the comments. Thank you again for all your love and support. Please smash that like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. Peace and love, y'all. Merry Christmas, you filthy animals.